Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to set up Birdfy Feeder Rookie for the beginner. For this guys, first of all, charge camera first. So it is high recommended to plug the camera in and charge it for about 10 hours before you first use. Once charged, press and hold the power button on the camera for about 3 seconds until you see a blinking blue light and hear the chime. Then guys, you download the Firebird app for your app store and create an account. Then you open the app, tap plus icon and select your Birdfy feeder model and connect your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure it is 2.4 GHz network. 5 GHz is not supported. So guys, the app will generate the QR code on the phone screen, and so you hold your phone screen in the front of the camera lens until you hear an audio prompts confirm the connections. Step 3, assemble the feeder. So align the tab on the roof with the slot on the seed container and push down until it clicks into the place. So slide the push into the place and the flat side up or the indicate by the up arrow sticker and secure it with the provided thumb screw. Then guys, screw the antenna into the back of the camera unit. After that, mount the feeder. So guys, choose a location, pick a spot with a good Wi-Fi signal, ideally near the tree or the bushes where the birds naturally gather. So thread the included adjustable tree strap or use the hose clamps to the mount the bracket securely to a tree or sturdy post or the spider hooks. Snap the feeder onto the mounting bracket securely. Then guys, add seed and enjoy. So guys, fill the seed bin, place the roof securely black on and wait for the featherhead friends to arrive. You will receive instant alert on your phone whenever the birds lands, along with AI generated identification of the species. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.